Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have been in the very best of health. Alhamdulillah, I've been doing wonderful. So in today's video, I'll be doing a full niqab tutorial. Yeah, a lot of you guys requested this video and here we are now, guys. So I would like to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining this family. My name is Suliat and I hope you enjoy this channel with me. So thank you, and if you want to know more about this tutorial, please keep watching, and without wasting your time, let's get right into the video. So guys, as I'm showing you in this video, I'll be starting with the wrong side. Yes, because after styling this style, the wrong side will be inside and the right side will be outside. So that's what I'm doing here, and the first step is doing it the same way as I'm doing it right here, and you fold at the back, like you fold the way you want it to. It depends on how tight you want your scarf to be, so that's how tight you're going to fold at the back. So now what I'm going to do now is take the other side. Yeah, you see, that's what I said earlier. The front, like the wrong side, I'm sorry, the right side will be outside. Yeah, so and you're going to do that too by taking to the back and fold as you're seeing it in the video. You don't have to make it tight, very very tight. So as I said earlier, it depends on how tight you want it to be. So this is how I want it to be. I don't like it to be so tight, so you can adjust it. So I'm adjusting it. So you guys, this scarf I'm using is a chiffon scarf, so I can see very clearly. That's why I just need to tell you so I can see very clearly. So we have two sides now. So now we have two different openings. Like that's the right opening and that is the left opening. So you can take either of the two opening, the one anyone you like, anyone you want to use, you can take it, so you still get the same style as what we want to achieve. So you do that by doing it as I'm showing you in this video. Yeah, sorry, I had to scratch my eyes. So you do it the same way as I'm doing in this video. Oh man, it's raining. Okay, so you grab your pin after that and pin to the right, pin your right side, and you do the same thing to the left side too, just to secure it and to make it firm. So that's what I'm showing you in this video right now. So I'm so sorry guys about the noise in the background. I'm outside. Yeah, I'm in my car filming this video. So you're gonna pin the left side also, and you can adjust your scarf. Yeah, that one, you adjust it to how you want. If you want to leave it like this, it's okay, and if you want to adjust it like folding it on both sides, you can also do that, but I left it this way. and you style the remaining as I am doing right now. So this style is not showing your back at the back, so you have the cover at the back also, and you have your cover at the front too. So I did not adjust this back because I did not know that's how it looked. So if you want to adjust yours, you can adjust it. So that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. So please leave me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.